Morning campers, literally, it's morning campers. Check out how we sleep in our Defender. This is our setup as we have it now. It seems to be working pretty well. We've been on the road for a week now. And let's see what's going on, man. So yeah, quite a generous double bed. Front seats just tilt forward, which is quite easy. And we've based this on the original way the vehicle was set up before by the guy who had it before us. And you may be asking yourself, why did we remove this side? It was exactly the same as these boxes over here. Well, I'll tell you why. We've been in here when it's been raining really hard, and it's the only place to sit. If we had both boxes in here, wouldn't have the possibility, I think, to even do anything. So this is a nice height just to sit in here, wait out the times. It's pretty good time just sitting there watching the rain, which is cool. Over here we have the original board that was fitted with the hinges, and this was flaps out. This side I had to just construct something. It's all with stuff you just find lying around, and it kind of just fits exactly. That's to get the same height, because here that folds down there, that folds on here. So the driver's seat rests on the steering wheel, and to get the passenger seat at the same height so it doesn't fall forward too far, I found this lying around. Works perfectly. That can hide in there, and then we can rearrange everything. Obviously you really need to organize your whole life quite well, because once you've made your bed you can't get to these boxes over here which contain your cooking, your cutlery, your plates, all of that, your gas cooker and all. So if we figure it out, which we're getting there, it's quite easy. Once your bed's set up, it's fine. And to break it all down again takes about 10 minutes. The height of this is about, I think, 43 centimeters. Works pretty well. Everything fits in there that we need. We even got space left. This little cupboard here has been a lifesaver. We found out afterwards. We've put stuff in here that we normally need quite regularly, especially the tea, washing up, some gas bottles, and your teacup. So that works really well. And that way we don't have to crawl in the back there and grab stuff as well. Well, you can see why we have these specific boxes. The height is basically the same. Width is perfect. The beer on the side, yeah, that's an addition. We found out, and it happens to be just the right height to increase the width of your mattress space, which is really cool. Works really well. The only problem is we can't drink the beer. Vic is going to demonstrate how we make our bed.
Hi guys, as you can see, this is my section of the bed now. Marcel taking it on that, which is quite okay. It's quite okay.
I love the beer, man.
But you can see that the levels are quite different. They're more or less the same, but if you just put this and the other mattress on, then it's a bit lumpy and bumpy.
I don't have a problem with that.
Oh no, because you're on there. Anyway, luckily we both do yoga. So our yoga mats have come along, and these form a wonderful base. You can put them both up actually. Thank you. Voila.
So this is actually good for your breathing exercise, man.
Yes, exactly. Wim Hof, here we come. Ten. It is quite fun to do up. The first night we didn't zip them up, and then my thing went this way, and I ended up lying in the middle part, which wasn't such fun. So
is that literally the sound it made?
yes. Oops. I must say I'm very impressed. It's very comfortable. The height thing isn't as much of a problem as I thought it would be. I really thought it would be, like this would be too much. But aren't we amazing how we can just adapt to different situations? It's just amazing. And you end up practicing some yoga positions. Yoga helps a lot in more ways than one. So I've just opened them up and then they will inflate all by their little selves. And having this little step at the end is such a luxury. When we first tried sleeping in the car, we ended up really close to the door, and it made getting in and out a little bit complicated. But here it's just great. It works really well. You've got to have fun when you're making the bed, right? Yes, it's fun. I love these plastic kits. They're absolutely incredible. Nice and light, so it's not too heavy when there are things in them either. Yes. Super easy. What I'm loving is that we are now completely organized. Our clothes are organized, our bedding's organized.
So there you have it, check it out. Both mattresses, the thin ones and the sleeping bag in the box, nice and compact. There you have it, back in travel mode, man. It's all pretty easy. Kind of works for us, kind of working around the original design of the interior, which is actually very well thought out. So it's been a week now sleeping inside. It's been pretty comfortable with the mattresses and the length of it. It is a bit of a finding your way around, trying to get everything level and all of that. So yeah, let us know what you think down below. How do you do your interior of your 110? I don't think it's possible in a 90. But yeah, it'd be good. Nice to hear from you guys. Have a good one out there and keep rolling.